bài tin hâm lát ở bài bữa hâm có Oregon sẽ bài Sunland và bài River Portland và bài Gresham và Seattle nhé ở bài Washington Seattle ở bữa có Washington là tôi ở thốt suy chắc Đài Bản
กูจะมองกูไม่เบียร์ใส่ตรงนั้นเสียบเจ็ดดู
thô bao nhiêu siêu biển ở chúng tôi vẫn tài lắm vì nhìn ra là hỗ trợ vẫn là lào vượt chấp vẫn đồng cái này không
เจียงเฮียงแต่ทำไม
แต่thấy cái nhân tỏi hồi nó có năng với tính ngập rồi bây giờ siêu biển phun tại con luôn phốt tọt tại uông phun là vừa yêu con bây giờ
อะไรนี่เลยคุณย่อคุณว่าคุณเป็นยังไงถึง
thông tin sao bảo đã xe vừa parade cháu xe gấp phẳng nhưng đó sẽ chạm vào đây chạm vào đây so we finish the parade right now so we will start the program very soon so vừaมีความต่อยชาวต่อยจากตู้ออกน้ำเสียหัวด้านเส้นไม่เบอร์พลักขยายไม่เบอร์ชุดล้าวชาวเบอร์ประธานแฟรงก์ชาวเบอร์เป็นตัวแทนครั้งนี้ได้เกียร์โคสตัน
ไอ้บัวไม่เลย
เชื่อแม่เนาะว่าจะได้อันนับต่อยยังดอยังไปยืนไปทีเนาะได้สันบายแต่ว่าไปยืนคนรับผู้ใหญ่ชื่อยันน่ะเชี่ยวคนจับยืนว่าเป็นนะ
ผมจะช่วยคนคนนี้nó phụ trách gì vậy con?
Ê, vui à?
Vui à? Bà này vui à?
Vui đó là
con tại tỉnh
anh em Seattle bây giờ xây tảng chào giờ sáng
cô chưa lên chế chế phú
quân đi còn
khôi cháu tại quân vừa tôi nói
sáng sẽ bên chết chưa lên chế chế phú tăng vừa chúng ta cấp quân phải do với chắc chắc nó cái đấy là cùng với tệ đàn quảngหรือพ้นบนตัดเต่าคือเย็นยังไปนอน
ยังน้อยโอ้ไม่ถึงสังสุตอนสิคนเป็นแรงจริงใครไปเยอะๆตีกระไรเมียนสามีโอ้สามตัวกระไรก็ที่ไหนมาอยู่โอ้ที่ไหน
Iu-mienh heritage with pride. As we celebrate this special occasion, let us also recommit ourselves to strengthening our unity reconnecting our global Iu-mienh communities and bridging the generations. Together, we must preserve our culture, support one another, and inspire the next generation to continue our legacy. 50 years ago, we arrived in America as refugees seeking safety and opportunity. Today, we stand here as proud contributors, leaders, and survivors. Our journey is testament to the strength of the human spirit and enduring power of community. Let us continue to move forward with resilience in our heart, service in our action, and pride in our roots. Thank you and happy 50th anniversary to the Iu-mienh community in America. Thanks again.
Good morning. I am another one that I would like to also echo what Mr. Kui Choi have said, but I will try to make it brief and as brief as possible. Good morning, everyone. I'm absolutely thrilled to see such a full house today. Welcome all to the 50 years anniversary celebration of the Iu-mienh settlement in the United States of America. We are not just here to celebrate half of the century's resilient community shared history making, but also recognize the sacrifice of our predecessors who made and paved the way. When we think back to 1976, we are reminded of bold decisions and visions of our pioneer, my good friends, Mr. Gauv Jiem Charles and his wife, Chua, who made their bold decisions. As a result, they paved the ways, bring us all here today. They are right here with little more than just a dream and a commitment to build a better life for their family. From the very early start, it took immense courage to explore unknown world without knowing how to overcome the cultural and language barrier. With their courage, bold decisions, they play important roles in paving the way for all of us. My good friend Gauv Jiem and Chua, you are a vital part of our Iu-mienh American story. Over the last half century to our newfound home, we have grown from a small communities in Horsey Square in Portland, Oregon, into a vibrant, thriving community within the Pacific West Coast of the United States of America. We are communities defined by a strong bond, our support for one another to challenge our share of quiet. But while today's celebration is a time to reflect our rich history, it is much about looking forward to the brighter future. Let me conclude my remark by recognizing the distinct guests with us here today. Your Honorable Deputy Ambassadors Sompai Wonghachak and Captain Kimgo, the People's Democratic Republic of Laos, and the distinct guests, friends, and relatives from the People's Republic of China, Kingdom of Thailand, Canada, and France. It is my distinct honor to profound privilege to extend warmest of welcome to you all. We deeply honor your presence here today, which stand in powerful statements to our shared commitment to global cooperation, peace, and mutual understanding. In an ever-evolving world, the role of diplomacy is more important than ever to serve as a vital bridge connecting nations, cultures, educations, and people. It is through your dedication, wisdom, and tireless dialogue that we are able to navigate complex governmental structures and policies of our workplace and help foster the economic partnerships, build more prosperous future for all. Today's gathering provides us with unique and valuable opportunities. It is a moment to step beyond borders and bureaucratic process to celebrate our shared language, culture, religions, whatever we are discussing, education, cultural exchange, economy development, the conversation we have and relationship we build in this field today lay the groundwork for tomorrow. Tomorrow's are collaborative processes. We look forward to the fruitful discussions we will share in the future and the lasting partnerships that we will undoubtedly grow from our time here today. Again, please know that your presence here today is highly valued. We hope your time here is both productive and memorable. Again, thank you for your attendance, your relationship, your leadership, your continued dedication to international friendships. We wish you all a wonderful visit and have a safe trip home. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, distinguished guests from local and foreign countries all come here. Thank you very much. And ladies and gentlemen, all Iu-mienh come here to celebrate our 50 years in the U.S. This is a special day we celebrate, and also this event we try to put together, encourage our young generation to keep our tradition and culture alive in this big country. And I would like to speak more in Mien. Those who may not be understand, I try to read in Mien. Thank you very much. laengzzingh anh hệ hải tất cả quảng vừa chọn chiên miền mùa ý nói yếm đa bị yên hứng chỉ nhắm với tất cả lại về ngã tập trung ở miền mùa vừa Iu-mienh chỉ đảng hỏi vừa tài như cha hồ mà chia toมีcổ miền quốc tế ý nói ta chọn vì naถ้าตรงmiền núi miền quốc tếอย่ามาเตะแต่หัวดีว่าเขาสุดเกยนะชัดเสียตายquốc tế ý nói chỉ tại giúp tại giỏi như này Ye rồi vậy chẳng được có chỉ tài chỉ tàu có chỉ tài thì con ạ thì bà ye thâu ye tiêu vương miền mùa với Iu-mienh nó chủ hay không có yếm này không có yếm Lào không có yếm Thái không có yếm thì khách cùng hay đâu ở trên Việt Nam thôi ở chung tổng nhau bầu với Iu-mienh nhé trồng dây lấy nhị liều với nhé hòa bún bướm phi miền tỷ lại cho nên cũng đi với chủ liều cho bướm phi miền bướm miền ở chung ở chung mày khen ye khen tỏi khen ye pháo không chạy hết tàu pháo lang hay bánh ai ở chung bỏ pháo ồ bỏ bướm miền chỉ xin tay ở chung thang nhé bỏ bướm miền nhiều đó và quỷ kia lấy nhị với nhé hòa thô ở chung tung quảng tỏi đây ye xe con dịch nhiều một đại laengzzingh với ye chung nhân hòa gì nói bài phu chẳng hồ
laengzzingh. Okay, Mr. Views here. Welcome.
Your perseverance, your cultural strength embody the very meaning of the national service. I'd like to just digress just a tad here and express something about this special month. And it might be helpful to remind ourselves that this month exists and how it came to be. The recognition began with the congressional resolution in 1977, followed by a presidential proclamation by Jimmy Carter in 1978. Congress expanded it to a full month of 1990, and President George H.W. Bush signed it into permanent law in 1992. The purpose of establishing this month-long recognition was clear: to correct the past by acknowledging the vital role Asian Americans have played in building this nation. Beginning with the completion of the Transcontinental Railroad in 1869, when textbooks and media failed or intentionally left out attribution to the thousands of Chinese laborers who worked on the construction of the railroad. Their presence was hidden from public recognition and memory. For decades afterward, Asian Americans were excluded from commemoration. They were stereotyped or they were misrepresented. This Asian American Heritage Month represents a long overdue correction to our historical record of contributions made by Americans who have their roots in Asia and the Pacific. We now honor their contributions across the walks of life, including leadership roles, fields of science, medicine, public service, higher education, healthcare, military service, engineering, and so many other professions. We also recognize the contributions to the community through their establishment of nonprofit organizations, cultural preservation programs, mutual assistance associations, and so many other ways that make communities strong and resilient. And so it is entirely fitting that the Iu-mienh community in America be recognized along with so many other Asian American communities, as was recognized by the resolution which we just heard from the Sacramento Board of Supervisors. We've noted that if you look in the program, all the contributions so far that the community has progress that they've made over the 50 years. And it's absolutely remarkable to see the lists of the number of graduates with BA, with masters, doctors, and many other fields. They all help building businesses in the community and contributions in advocacy and environmental issues and many other important issues. Also, their contribution to public safety and to the security of this country through the military service. Just a side note, I recall that between 1976 and 1986, there were about 20,000 who came to the United States. And as you all heard just a little bit later, the population now in the U.S. is somewhere between 60 and 70,000. And I suspect it's maybe more than that. But we'll have to wait until the next census comes around to find out. Finally, I want to thank the organizers for giving me the opportunity to share in this commemoration with you and for allowing me to offer these brief remarks. It's been a privilege to stand with you on this meaningful occasion, and to all the high school, college, and university graduates this month, please accept my heartfelt congratulations. May the days ahead be bright. May your efforts be productive and valued. And may your achievements continue to bring honor to your families, your community, and the country we call home. Laengzzingh.
Thôi đây chính xác. Chủ nhà mà thèn chiêm á,首先呢 William Fong 啊，带当的 B stage 给我。You key and wallets right here. We have money inside, but I don't want to touch. Thank you. Okay, the next program is. I would like to welcome Washington Iu-mienh dancer. 50 years. Laengzzingh đó đi vừa bài tiền tiền rồi biển nhiêuทดสอบเกาหลีเกาหลีมาจากประเทศไทยเขาเรียกเชิญบนเวทีครับผมเกาหลีไส้เจ๋าเบอร์ยืนยันนักร้องมาแล้วสวัสดีครับ
tagang sẽ ông mà người ta phải mà tagang để ít nhiều cũng mà cả buổi mà hay lúc kita chẳng mai tại cho xây dựng trong tuy nhiên cũng mà ông tại xuất xây dựng đầu bên Việt Nam tập farm thảo tạo của tập phơi thảo thành của từng hư thảo mỹ của Canada và của Belgium hay thì nhiều càng sẽ tương lai cái thứ sự nhiều của đâu cũng nhiều và đúng không yêu Việt Nam trở tại chiều buổi say với con chiều buổi say thì con hiểu vừa nhận chung cũng nhà thì cũng biết không tung là không còn đến lấy sẽ cũng bằng ta càng cũng mày đến chi yêu chung của Việt Nam Lào Thái cũng là quốc tế tuy nhiên lâu dài yêu dáng của con vừa thà ai tại sang tàu yêu nhiên nhiều tụ bay on mai nhàn mai hốt vui à này gì mình cũng vui nhẹ thành nhiên đúng là gì cũng nhàn và vui nhẹ và vui nhẹ cũng nhàn hốt nhiên nhiều bay on Canada thắng thì ta thảo đâu quên Belgium cả mặt quyền miền về Denmark để bây giờ cũng là cũng thắng gì điều vừa nó xấu vui nhàn điều vui tu hốt mà cha nó cũng sẽ là quảng như cha quảng với trong một cái mất giấy của chủ hiện nay mình sau xem cháu dạng níu đảo này bây cháu cũng có cháu trong quá thì mình cháu trong cháu cũng có hiểu hơn sao chuyện quan sự như lo là nhúc ở cái thời lo nó trong khỏe mình chỉ có đâu nhưng bà thì có hiểu quảng trí thì có cháu trong quá cũng chi miên đã chụp dấu hết sẽ vừa chụp bản cả của yếm chia nó cũng là dấu tung vật giấy cho ta cấp quân tới con giấy tai lùng tới con giấy lùng tới những chụp sĩ kế tại vì nhiều siêu nên để nhau này tôi ta chế những đi miên vào à tôi chế vào hay những để nhất những vật chụp giang với những bà thế nhưng những vật chụp giang với những giang để pha giang với cái kia thì mình tháo đau với em tung lực để cho chụp cổ chân giáo cái người chơi mà mình không hề giáo cái chân hoa mình họ tông bây giờ yêu là cái coi chỉ kiểu và tung lực cái dịch chúng có luôn tế dịch chúng cái bé chú anh có luôn tế dịch chúng bây giờ tôi chỉ cho giáo mình cái này với mình hoa mình đó trong một giờ hết cấp gì tôi mà phần gì dịch cho hai đắc đưa tế cái tận cho thằng gì những cung tổ kia hai dấu phim xe dấu đâu có xã sẽ đa trai tôm tới thông minh tai đâu có thấy yêu nhận vào mẹ hai dấu hết nhung đỉnh kia như nhau pharmacy đặc từ nhà bà nhung quân gì là theo trong các lần thấy quân phi yêu miên sẽ mai nhận người cũng mai cặp trại con vườn yếm non tập cung anh hám non hết thì non một gió dậy à trai có là quy chỉ ta nhé quyền phiếu như với chàng kia ta nhận được vững thu là khu đã quy chàng kết quan chủ chung quyền như quy à thấy trên nhiều bạn con thấy đâu có tùng hiếu ho nò như cháu hộ thống niệm vui em trong quyền như Việt Nam thì quy là thống niệm chẳng lao như thống niệm chẳng thay thống niệm yếm mấy của nhà thống niệm Canada nhà thống niệm đâu có phạt của nhà thống niệm Denmark bên như không còn có thống niệm Việt Nam phiền yêu của nhà chúng nhà đó phạt cũng chim vài với chim thùng đó chim trên vô bàn ngon như cháu cũng phiền như luôn nhưng mà vì hết đó là ta là thêm không có chim nhân dấu chim on họ thằng bè như cháu nó cũng chim vài như xì cũng chim bè như xì phiền yêu miên sẽ hâm xin như yêu miên hâm tất cả vì chúng tôi nhìn vô bàn ngon và quân mà cháu nhưng mà với chủ họ con thông hăng nó thuốc con kết quyền cho yêu miên ít hỏi như ta mới có gì giờ lúc biết ta thấu tế giờ lúc ta thấu tế nhưng hắn non tập cung nhưng nó toàn là bà cung cung yêu miên như thì hỏi mình cha cũng giỏi cha cũng giết cha hâm giỏi cha cũng mình tàu hâm cái bảo thu lành xin luôn rồi bánh on thu lành xin thăng
bánh nhìn sắp tay ở bây giờ tàu bây giờ siêu biển không à hấp thảo chàng thảo thị thảo บัวอยู่เมียนคุณก็ยังนักไม่อ้วออกเสียน้ำอ้วนี่อย่าบีบเขาเองใส่จิตครับ
爽讲长工钱有工车英国英法英中国英法国แคนาดาไทยกัวชาวบัวดูว่าเนี่ยยังได้ไม่กัวชาวดูว่าจะเล่าเนี่ย ambassador ยังมุเจียวอชิงตันใต้อย่าจูงแต่กับเจ้าบัวคอยนำตรงยินหุยเยี่ยตายยี่อ่อยโทแรงจริงเขาดูว่าเนี่ยบัวไม่กัวยูเมียนเชียนเชกอนดูบัวฉลางตายกินยำนอมบุ้งยำนอมหลังโจนอมยินหุยเหนียจงตายว่าแรงจริงเขาดูว่าเนี่ยก้าวเจียมบัวม้างต่อยดูบัวก้องห้าจานดูบัวก้องนอดูว่าดูบัวเยี่ยมก้องเป็นเต้าป่วนธนาตะปุงดูบัวโจเป็นยี่หนองมุยถึงบัวต่อเจ้าแรงจริงดูบัวช้ำแรงจริงดูว่าจังดูบัวเตะเต็งเตี้ยยี่เมียนมาเจียเต้าดอกเก้าปูดูว่าเนี่ยแฟรงต้มหนาวดูว่ากุยจอยดูว่าใจเว้ยชาวดูว่าเนี่ยดูว่าวิเชียวอชิงตันชาวพอร์ตแลนด์ชาวนาดูว่าเนี่ยแคลิฟอร์เนียวัดแทนต้องดูว่าเตะเต็งเตี้ยแต่ดูว่าเก่งเจ้าเขาให้แรงจริงดูว่าช้ำเจียแย่งอแรงจริงเท่าดูว่าบุญเยลังเจียวยำนาดูว่าเนี่ยมาจีบเย็ดน้ำลังหลังเจียวพุนเจนบุญเมียนแต่เถงจะโกงแต่เถงเจนดูว่าเนี่ยจิบแค่แต่เถงเจนเป็นแองเหล่งเจเนี่ยแรงจริงเท่าวิเชียดิสทริกวันดูว่าเก่งจิบทุกเขาให้ดูว่าเนี่ยเถงเจนอันเฮเถงเจนจิบแรงดูว่าบุญยี่ต่อยเป็นแค่เมียนแองเท่าดูว่าแองดิสทริกซีว่ายืนยาวดูว่าอย่างแรงถึงเจนซิบถึงเจนต่อเป็นแค่เมียนมิงยาวแรงจริงเชียมบุญสูงบุญแต่ถึงยี่บัวถึงเจนเบนนะบุญเบนชวดห้างกองนอยอย่าน้อมยินหุยนะแต่นายโทนะบุญเจไม่เจียเตาแต่ถึงเจนเอาเบนชวดอันให้เจียดูว่ายิ่งบุญเจียน้ำกัวแต่เขาจะยิ่งบุญไม่กัวยิ่งบุญน่าปุ่นเตะกันอยู่เนี่ยเจียน้ำแสงวอชิงตันออริกอนแคลิฟอร์เนียโอไฮโอโคโลราโดมาดูว่าเตียน้ำแสงแต่สัจเจนอันให้ก็ทุกวันบุญสว่างเมียนมัวบัวอัศวงจีบจิกหาหิ้งตุ้งกวางอัศวงโจทั้งนอกตาบุษตาตุ้งกวางไปยี่อิวเมียนฟีอยู่หาปางกินบุญสูงดูว่าเนี่ยยำโกยำฟัดกองให้เต่าแต่นายสัจเจนบัวจอมน้องยินหุยเนี่ยอย่าเจตายอย่าเจอย่าสูงบัวมาฟิงจิวมาโซกเจียบัวเสียนยุ่งมายุ่งจิวโกมายุ่งจิวเจียปุ่นบัวอย่าสูงตายอย่าชิงกิบจนอย่าแปลงอ่อนบัวยังว่าต่างประเทศว่าเตะตายยังเตียน้ำกุยจาเนี่ยบัวตายอย่าเท้าเจียวจนอย่าเท้าโฟตายเท้ายางจนเท้าโอบัวตายไม่ฟูจิวโกบัวจนไม่ฟูโลจิวเจียมบัวอย่าจูงก้องตุกขุยมขุยันทุกวางกินบัวอย่าสวางเมียนบัวต้มจอยเจียวไม่ยุ่งใส่บัวต้มจอยเถงเจนจิวโกแรงจริงช้ำ